Welcome to Tutorak Kids.
Hi guys! Look, we have 5 shapes. Those shapes are split into smaller parts. Let's color each part with a different color and make each shape super colorful. Red, orange, yellow, pink, green, blue. This is a square. Black, gray, brown, purple, green, blue. This is a circle. Blue, orange, red, yellow, purple, green. This is a triangle. Red, yellow, pink, yellow, red, pink, orange, yellow. This is a heart. Black, gray, brown, green, blue, red, pink, orange, yellow, purple, this is a rectangle. Let's match these shapes with the right colors. The circle is green. We have 1, 2, 3 circles. The triangle is red. We have 1, 2, 3 triangles. The square is yellow. We have 1, 2, 3 yellow squares. The rectangle is blue. We have 1, 2, 3 rectangles. We have 2 new shapes, hexagon and pentagon. The hexagon is pink. We have 1, 2, 3 hexagons. The pentagon is purple. We have 1, 2, 3 pentagons. We need to match the colors with the right shapes. Let's count. How many red circles do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 red circles. Let's count the orange triangles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 orange triangles. Let's count the stars. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 green stars. How many yellow squares? Let's check. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 yellow squares. And the last one, that's blue rectangle. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 blue rectangles. We have 7 red circles. We have 12 orange triangles. 8 green stars. 10 yellow squares. 6 blue rectangles.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.